Creating an online planner involves designing a digital tool for scheduling and organizing tasks and events. Here's a concise guide. Define purpose. Determine the primary purpose of your online planner. Is it for personal use, team collaboration, project management, or event planning? Select a platform. Choose a platform or development framework for creating your online planner. Options include web development languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, or specialized platforms like Google Calendar or Trello. Design user interface. Create an intuitive and user-friendly interface for adding, editing, and viewing tasks and events. Consider responsive design for mobile accessibility. Functionality. Implement core features like adding tasks, setting due dates, adding notes, creating categories, and recurring events. Include features like notifications and reminders. Data storage. Set up a database to store user data securely. Ensure data privacy and protection. Authentication. Implement user authentication and registration to protect user accounts and data. Testing. Thoroughly test your online planner to check for functionality, usability, and performance on different devices and browsers. Feedback and iteration. Gather user feedback and make necessary improvements to enhance the planner's functionality and user experience. Security. Prioritize data security by using encryption and securing user accounts with strong authentication methods. Hosting. Choose a reliable hosting provider to ensure the planner is accessible 24/7. Launch. Release the online planner to the public or your target audience. Promote it through various channels to attract users. Support. Provide customer support to address user queries and issues promptly. Update and maintenance. Regularly update the planner to fix bugs, add new features, and improve performance.